Welcome to Phone Transformer. In this video, we'll show you how to change Temu app order after ordering and walk you through every step clearly and simply. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Temu app. Make sure you're logged into the correct account so you can access your order history without any issues. Step 2. Now, from the main menu, you might be wondering, is there an option to directly change the order? Unfortunately, there isn't a feature to edit or modify the order details directly once it's placed. But don't worry, there's still a way to fix it. You can cancel the order and place a new one. So let's move on to how that works. Step 3. Inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the U icon. This is where your profile and account-related settings are found. From there, tap on the Your Orders option. Step 4. Here, you'll see a list of all your recent purchases. If the item you want to change is still being processed, you'll see a Cancel button next to it. Tap on that button. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the cancellation process. Once it's canceled, you can go back, find the item again, and reorder it with the correct changes. That's the easiest way to change your Temu app order after ordering. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.